Alright, so today we're going to make some fun, easy backgrounds for our cards. And this technique will allow you to make tons of cards. First thing you want to do is pick out 3 ink colors. We're going to use Distress Oxides. Since we're making a fall card, we're going to use these fall colors. Crackling Campfire, Carved Pumpkin, and Fossilized Amber. And then you're going to want some die cuts. So I have die cut the leaves. It's from the Rabbit Hole Designs. It's the Falling Leaves dice. This is the coordinating stamp set. And there's also a stencil and a hot foil plate. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is take our ink. So I've got my gel plate here. We're just going to smoosh our ink on our gel plate. And then we're going to take our brayer and we're going to brayer that smooth. We're going to take our leaf die cuts and we are going to start arranging these. We're starting with our lightest color. We're going to arrange them all over our background in just various random patterns. Make sure some of them go off the edge. Alright, now we're going to take our cardstock. You're going to want a heavyweight cardstock for this. Just got some half sheets here. We're just going to lay on top. Just going to press that in. Pull that off. There's our little background. Now we're going to move these off. We're going to save them so we can keep using them. We'll take another sheet here and we're going to just lay this on top. Oops. Pull my plate up. Here's our next little print. So now we're going to ink this up again. We're going to go to our next darkest color, which is the Crackling Campfire. I'm sorry, Carved Pumpkin. And start by laying our die cuts around. Print. Just going to lay this on top. Here's our next layer. Alright, we're going to go ahead with our next one, which is Crackling Campfire. You could use dye ink for this also. I'm just using this because it's here. I'm going to lay this one on top first. Remove our die cuts. And take our next print. Be careful when you're moving your die cuts that you don't get your fingers in there. Alright, there is a super easy way to create backgrounds for your cards using die cuts in your gel plate. You can see the finished card that I used this background on my blog today. You can find that link below. And it's also on the Rabbit Hole Designs website. I will talk to you later. Bye guys. Love you. Stay crafty.